Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I have a little Dollar Tree haul for you. Nothing really new and exciting. I did get a couple of things that I was looking for, so let's get right to it. First we're going to start with my favorite thing that I found, and I don't know if anybody has hauled these. I haven't seen anybody do it, but I haven't been watching a lot of YouTube videos lately because I've been kind of busy. But anyway, they have these little light up things. It says every day is a second chance, and that's so cute. I just love that. So I got that, and then I've been on the hunt for these. These aren't exactly the ones I wanted, but I hadn't seen the other ones that are just the cotton balls. But they have these with the cattails and the pine cones. So I got some of these. These are for a DIY that's coming up, so y'all be looking for that. But I got 5 of those. And let's see. And then, oh, I love this Spa Naturals Luxury Collection Rose Petal Epsom Salt with Epsom salts and essential oils. I love essential oils. So I got 2 bags of this because whether we like it or not, Christmas is going to be coming up. So I'm getting prepared. It's not really a DIY. I'm just going to show you how I'm going to package these for Christmas gifts. These will make good birthday presents or anything like that, but I'll show you how to make them in another video. Then I got some of these Sure Scents, the Hawaiian and the lavender. It goes in those continuous spray things, you know. And then I'd never seen these at the Dollar Tree before, the Smart Girl nails. I don't like to do the other nails that you have to glue on. These have adhesive tabs in them. I like those better because my nails are real thin, and the others tend to kind of tear them up when I take them off. And these came in a short length, so I can still wear these and still get some work done. But I got 2 packs of that. And then this is for my DIY. This is just the 24 silver plastic spoons. Got those. And then I got some emery boards. Rest of this is just kind of run-of-the-mill stuff, but I'll share anyway. I got the 100 cotton swabs. You can't beat that for $1. And got some good old Brillo basic sponges, 3 in the pack. I used to buy a big bag that had like 6 sponges in it with a scrubby on the side, but my Dollar Tree didn't have those anymore, so I got 2 packs of that. And they had the cutest towels in there. It says Farm Fresh, so I thought the chicken would go, or rooster would go good with my towel, so we got that. And then just some tall kitchen trash bags and a couple of the little jars. These are really cute, and it has the lid snaps on really good. So another getting ready for Christmas thing. And then a couple of food items. I got some chips, the stacks, the can for $1. My son's already made off with those. And then I got these mini Teddy's chocolate chip and honey snack packs with 6 in a box. I like to take my mom something every day. Little treat, you know. And then I got her the Original Rich and Creamy Mini Crackers. I think there's 10 packs in here. So I have to kind of like take her servings of stuff, because if she's kind of getting to where now if I took her this whole box, she would think she needed to eat all of them at one time. So I just take her the individual servings, and that's it, y'all. That's all I got today. I told you it was a quick little Dollar Tree haul. I'm trying not to do as many because I'm trying to use up the stuff that I already had. But hopefully I'm going to have a lot of DIY videos coming up soon, trying to use some of this stuff up and getting ready for Christmas, because it's going to come sooner or later. So might as well make an early start. But y'all have a great day, a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.